Are you a fan of The Sims? Looking for the next installment in the series? Good news, EA Maxis has confirmed The Sims 5 is officially in production, codenamed Project Renee. It's the next generation of The Sims, and it looks like we won't get our hands on it for a few years yet. In The Sims 5, expect platform compatibility and multiplayer capabilities, as well as greater customization for both your avatar and environment, something we've all been asking for. The latest teaser for The Sims 5 was dropped in January 2023 and provided fans with an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at Project Renee. We saw early concepts of gameplay as well as an interview with product manager Grant Rodiak, who discussed the results of their early playtests. In the latest video, probable updates to The Sims were discussed, such as fluid multiplayer across both PC and mobile platforms. Rodiak discussed previous findings. The barrier between PC and mobile would be removed to let players switch between the two with ease. We also heard updates regarding The Sims' emphasis on multiplayer. One of the most interesting developments for The Sims 5 is the potential use of AI technology. A patent filed by EA back in April 2020 was approved in October 2021, which revealed that photographs can be uploaded and then converted into in-game characters. Although this isn't confirmed yet, this could be a major development for the franchise. Meanwhile, EA Maxis continues to improve The Sims 4. It would be nice to get some news about a possible future expansion such as werewolves, fairies, and zombies, something that has been discussed in a recent blog post. But until then, an early 2024 release date seems likely, and would put it in a perfect spot as the world slowly recovers from the pandemic. We're all excited to see what EA Maxis has in store for us with The Sims 5. Keep up with Tech Radar Gaming for more announcements as they come over the next couple of years. Until then, happy Simsing.